Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Eddie's WRX. So as you guys can see right behind me, the WRX is back. We have a couple of things that we're going to be installing. I mentioned it in the last video. I'm going to be going with a methanol injection system, the AEM kit. We are going to be running this in conjunction with our ethanol flex fuel kit. Going to be tuned by Phatbotti. So I wanted to make this video. I'm not going to be doing the whole intercooler install and things like that. However, I'm going to be doing a video comparing a stock intercooler. Let me go ahead and actually show you guys real quick. So yeah, theirs is the stock ugly WRX intercooler with plastic end tanks, very small core. I'm going to be replacing with the Grimmspeed Top Mount Intercooler. Shout out to the guys over at Grimmspeed. They are sponsoring this video. Yeah, I'm looking forward to reviewing their product. The reason why we're having some issues is, as you guys can see, this is plastic, so you can't tap that methanol injection kit into anywhere here. As you guys can see, it's pretty much, you can't do it in a pipe or anything like that. So need an actual front mount intercooler kit or a top mount intercooler kit with a cast aluminum end tank. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started and take you guys for the ride. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. As you guys can see, here in Southern California, it's a pretty sweltering 98 degrees outside. I'm gonna go ahead and go for a drive and show you guys just the efficiency of the stock intercooler. It's pretty high temps right there. It's sitting at 150 degrees right now. This is stock intercooler. I am stage 2, currently tuned by Ambot Tuning. So ambient temperature outside, guys, right now is 96 degrees. California is not all that humid, so you can scrub off the speed. I'm sorry, you can scrub off the temperature, you know, fairly quickly if you get going. So I don't know if you guys know anything about like hot weather in these turbo cars, but they're very sluggish when it gets to intake temps this high. And I don't dare, you know, try to go any wide open throttle runs at this kind of temperature, just because it's just very prone to detonation. You're putting a lot of stress on the motor, so it's probably not a good thing. And right now I'm just going down, cruising to Costco. I need to run a couple errands. But you guys can see, you know, how the temperature drops down with the stock intercooler. Once it gets down below like 100, I'll do a wide open throttle run. But you know, when temperatures are this high outside, it doesn't really go down that low. And then any type of spirited little throttle inputs, the temperature climbs really high and it's really hard to scrub off that temp. So I just did a little mini pull right there. Alright, we'll stop it there, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of stop that stock intercooler test there. Basically, what in my experience on driving with the stock intercooler is just basically the car cannot scrub that temperature down. It can't go any below, you know, at least 10-15 degrees above the ambient temperature outside. So looking forward to testing that Grimmspeed intercooler on top of the methanol injection. So I was told by a couple of friends that are running similar setups that it's going to be sub-ambient temperatures at the intake charge. So I'll report back. I'm going to go ahead and install that kit along with the methanol injection, and then yeah, I'll report back with the dyno. Alright guys, welcome back. So it is the next day and got a package in the mail. So thank you, Grimmspeed. Again, Grimmspeed sponsoring this video. They're going to be helping out with this top mount intercooler, so I can do some testing on the methanol injection. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing together, guys. Okay, so this is actually what I think is the basically the shroud and everything that goes on to where your OEM shroud's going to be. So I'm going to put that aside for a second. All right, so we have a cool stencil here for spray painting the intercooler. Not sure if I'm gonna do it. What do you guys think? Let's have some gold spray paint still left. Might do that. But there it is, guys. So we've got a massive top mount intercooler, and I got it with the black thermal coating. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started, guys. Okay guys, as you guys can see, just working on getting this the little covering off, so I can go ahead and install the new Grimmspeed piece. There it is right there. So yeah, just a little bit out. Let's go on through with it. Alright guys, I got this bad boy off. Alright, so I'm going to be working on this for a little bit. Not going to bore you guys with the details of this. There's plenty of good videos out there, like 3D0. There's also a great video by Grimmspeed, actually what I'm using for reference. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and drill out these rivets, and then go ahead and put in the Grimmspeed shroud. So I'll go ahead and do that and come back, guys, and then we'll get back to it. Alright, welcome back, guys. So as you guys can see, the install is done. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and go for a drive. I don't have the methanol injection kit installed yet, but I'm actually gonna show you guys exactly where you install it. If you guys can see, there's actually a MPT bung right there, and that port is actually where it's the pressurized side, the cold side of your intercooler. So basically that is attached to the throttle body, and your methanol will be injected and atomized from that nozzle there. It was a fairly hot day to install this. I did this by myself. A little bit of cursing and whatnot, but all in all, I mean, Grimmspeed, you guys have an amazing kit. It's a phenomenal fit. I didn't have any issues other than, you know, kind of my wrongdoings at times. So as you guys can see, I fully support these guys with the builds. I mean, they make amazing quality stuff all here in the United States. They helped me out with the intercooler a little bit on this and sponsored this video. However, I mean, I just choose their products because it's just top notch. So we're gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna do that same test with the intake temp manifold, so you guys can see it before and after from that stock intercooler that I had. And then next up, I'm gonna be doing the methanol injection, and then from there, we're gonna be doing a dyno section with the infamous Phatbotti Tuning. So stay tuned, guys.